Hi, Alan Hutchinson here, Senior Economist and Advisor at Prescott Securities with this week's market update. Big news last week obviously was the RBA cutting the cash rate to 2.75%. It's the first cut we've seen in 2013. The RBA cut its CPI forecast to 2.25% for the year to June 2013 from the previous 3% published in February. They've also revised their forecast for GDP growth to December 2013 to 2.5% from the previous estimates of 2 to 3%. This change to the inflation forecast is probably the key takeout, and it gives the RBA further scope to cut rates in the future. However, Glenn Stevens was pretty upbeat in regards to both the US and China in his announcement, stating that the US continues on a path of moderate expansion and China's growth is running at a more sustainable but still very robust pace. Since the announcement, we've seen the big four banks pass on the rate cut in full. We've even seen ANZ Bank pass on slightly more. On a $300,000 mortgage, the cut last week would decrease the monthly repayments on a mortgage on average by $46. Of course, the big news for the week ahead is the release of the federal budget, the night where economists all over the country order in takeaway and put together reports and papers on the impending changes to the policies that will shape our country's future. For a full rundown on the budget, from myself and our Chief Economist Darryl Gobbett, go to the Prescott Securities website, www.prescottsecurities.com.au, on Wednesday to download the report. Also this week, we have some key stocks that are trading ex-dividend. This includes Macquarie, whose share price is up almost 30% since the start of the year, and Westpac Bank, whose share price is up circa 26% over the same period. As always, if you'd like more information, please follow us on Facebook or Twitter or go to our website. Thank you.